Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing a very big back bend with some straps. So this is where the names of exercises get really like back bend with straps or back bend on top of the head with straps. Super, informative. So this is definitely one that is bigger. It requires a lot of flexibility in certain joints, and most of you will probably not share with others, but it's good to know it exists because it's important to know where you're going and growing with things, even if you never get there, right? I know that sounds like, why would I want to do that? But you do. You want to know what you're getting stronger for, because in Pilates, there's never a perfect. There's always like another level. So with that, I have 2 springs on. The straps are already ready. The headrest is up for this because I'm going to put my head right here. And then we're going to lie on our backs with the headrest up, and then place your feet. This is where it gets a little hard. You're going to place your feet on the carriage, and then you put your hands on the shoulder rests, and you will lift yourself up into a back bend. And it's important that your neck is long, right? That you're not pulling your head too far back to your feet, and you're not pulling your chin too close to your chest. And then you grab your handles, and there's not a lot of weight in my head. There's some, but I'm lifting my heart up, and I'm putting the connection into my arms and then my legs. And as I move the carriage, I'm not letting my chin move up and down. I'm looking at one spot out my window, and I'm standing. And so it's like you're doing chest expansion in a back bend. So 3 to 5 of these, standing in your legs, really connecting to your back body, keeping your front body engaged to support that. Hook up your handles, lift your head, and lower all the way down. So not the craziest movement, but a really fun one. I hope you get a chance to enjoy that someday. And if you have questions about it, please put in the comments below. I went over it very briefly, and you definitely don't want to be alone when you try that one. Okay, promise? Thank you so much for watching these, and if you have any questions, please put in the comments, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.